Howdy ho, bitches. Welcome to the premiere episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. You know, unboxing videos. People love seeing unboxing videos for some strange reason. So, why not take advantage of it? You know, so this is going to be especially dedicated to all the unboxabators out there. You know, an unboxabator? Someone that gets off on watching unboxing videos. I can't figure this out, but might as well go for it, eh? So today, for our very first box, it's a special box. It's about 16 inches by 10 inches by 9 inches and weighs about 32 pounds. So let's see what's inside it, shall we? It's a green box. How about that? Nice, eh? It's got handle holds here. It makes a nice noise when you jingle it or shake it. It jingles. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. Ooh, it opens very easily. Wow, amazing, eh? Oh, pure Pilsner. Steam whistle. Oh my God, look at that. Wow, pure Pilsner. A bottle that's green and it has liquid in it and there's tops on all of them. A painted label. Oh, a K3L air horn. Look at this, eh? Can you believe what's in this box? It's a thing of beauty. Well, I just happen to have a church key. And I'm going to fucking church. Cheers, big ears. Wow. That's very nice. Well, thank you for tuning in to this unboxing video. And this is the beginning of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. There's going to be plenty more videos in this series. Oh yeah. RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. Woo! Boom. Done.